Georgina and this is my rubbing picture of a church. My name is Paul and I made this picture by rubbing over lolly sticks. Hello, my name is Jason and I rubbed over card shapes to make this picture of some flats.
Good art attacks, creating pictures by taking rubbings of various objects. Now, you can also get some great effects by rubbing over different textures. Take a look at this. Here's a cartoon that I've drawn, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to colour it in by rubbing over some different textures. Now, I'm going to start by rubbing a wax crayon very lightly, colouring the picture in over a concrete paving slab, just the type that you get out in the street. And there it is, you can see the texture coming through the paper as I'm rubbing with the wax crayon. So that's the sky. Now let's try the castle in the middle. I'm going to put my paper down onto some of this wood chip wallpaper. And again, just rubbing lightly with the wax crayon on its side. And there's another texture creeping through. And I don't know whether you've ever discovered this stuff. Corrugated cardboard. If you separate the sections, you get these fantastic grooves and ridges, which also make great rubbings. So if I put that underneath my picture, with the grooves going in one direction to start with, let's see what we get. Right, here we go, on the hills. The truth is, you can take a rubbing of almost any surface, and you will get a different texture coming through. And the beauty of this technique is you don't know what pattern's going to come through until you actually start doing it. That's part of the fun, I suppose. And then if I turn the corrugated cardboard with the grooves running the other way, start colouring in down here, we get the lines going in a completely different direction. Look at that. And now, just to show off its versatility, I'm going to turn the corrugated cardboard on the diagonal. So the grooves are now running across the picture in one direction, and you get the lines coming through the picture in that direction. And watch what happens if I turn the corrugated card and do it on the diagonal in the other direction. Guess what happens? Yep, you've got it. You've got this crosshatch effect. Look at that. Good pattern, that. And there it is. And don't worry, I haven't missed that bit out. I've done it purposely, because watch what happens when you do cross-hatching in two different colours. There it is. You get this sort of tartan effect. And there it is. Try it yourself. Rub some textures and give yourself a texture attack. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.